All right, looks like they just came in. Been waiting for these for not even that long, but excited that I got these. Let's take a look what's in there. All right, let's take a quick look. Jeez, pretty good packaging. There's the LED bulb. So basically, got me some clear corners from KLEARZ. I'm gonna swap out those amber ones for these clear ones. Let me get those opened up and show you a little bit more in detail. All right, so here I took one out. Yeah, pretty excited about these. Kind of pricey, but you know, always wanted these and never been really a fan of those amber sides. Some good quality side markers here. All right, guys, so the first set came in, which you actually saw earlier, was a little too white for my taste. So I asked if I can exchange it, and they said they were willing to do so, but I don't know if I'm hoping that it was worth it because it took like almost another month before these finally came in. So the first set that I bought was clear corners, but was with a white back housing and then the clear lens. This one is going to be, let me pull it out real quick. It's going to be gray back housing and clear lenses, which they said should match the headlights more, which is something I wanted. I did test fit the white ones onto the car just to see what it looks like. Check out the picture here. And I'm hoping that these would match the headlights better. So let me pull these guys out real quick. All right, just pull one out, and here it is. So clear lens with gray back housing. Like I said, the first one I got was clear lens with white housing, and I think it's too white for my car because, of course, my car is gray. So I think this would actually match it much better. Check those out. It's actually really nice quality. All right. Can't wait to put it on the truck. All right, guys, before we get this installed, please consider subscribing to my channel to help support my channel, and like this video if you find it helpful. And don't forget to comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow. Thanks, guys. All right, let's go get these cleared side markers on now. Okay, so to access these guys, or just take these guys off, for the top headlight, I believe it's just these two long screws here that holds these headlight in, and then down here, just like in my other video, and when I replaced these, just for Phillips screwdriver there. And then what it is when you pull those out, there's some there's two, it looks to be two thread cutting locking nuts that hold these guys in. So let me get those housings out and then show you what it looks like behind that. So got the turn signal housing off. Let me show you if I can see if I can show you. If you guys can see this right here is the thread locking nut. Let me get those out and then show you too when it's out. Okay, so just got them out. Here they are, the thread cutting and locking bolts. Or not bolts, sorry, nuts. Then this guy should just be able to pull out. And of course you gotta unscrew the light bulb socket too. So that's how you take these guys out.
Okay.
Let me go put the new one in. Got the bottom one in, or the blinker ones in, and it's already looking different. And so when you So when I bought the set, it also comes with, well, I think so. It also comes with a set, a pair of LED bulbs for the corner lights, and you get to choose from white or amber, and I got the amber one, and it's already installed here. So let me finish putting that back and get the top one, and then finalize it all by installing the other side and show you guys how it looks. Okay, one little hiccup. The supplied LED bulbs is actually hitting the lens before even able to locking in the socket. So here, let me show you. Let me put it in real quick. So you can see there, it's already sticking out a little bit and it's already hitting the lens there. So now I have to let KLEARZ know and get a different set of flatter LED bulbs. Okay, so I didn't have any amber LED bulbs. I just threw in a white one there. Probably get an amber one later, but got that back together. Now let me do the top one. Okay, so I got the headlights out, and like I said, it's just the two top long bolts. And let me see if we can show you this. But these also have those thread locking nuts or thread creating nuts up here, and just two here, and that should pop out. So let me take that out. Dang it! So I dropped one of those locking nuts, and the bottom one is basically stripped on there. When I kept trying to remove it, it's just, all it does is spin. So I gotta cut that metal protruding piece that the locking nut goes on to now. Alright, finally finished this side up. Dang, it's looking really nice. I'm liking it a lot. Never been really a fan of those amber side markers. Anyway, just had a few hiccups. I lost the two thread cutting nuts. I dropped them and I finally found them, put them together, put the headlights back together, and that's the way it's looking now. And finish up the driver's side and then show you guys the final result. Alright guys, just finished up installing both sides. Looking really nice. Let me show you what they look like up closer. Alright guys, and there she is. Comment below and let me know what you think about the clear corners. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to help support my channel. Like this video if you find it helpful, and comment any sort of feedback to help my channel grow. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.